Would you like to give yourself a quick intro?
Yeah, hi. My name is Mumshad Mohammed. I work with CodeCloud, and we are a Kubernetes training platform. So we help students train and learn about Kubernetes and everything else in the cloud-native ecosystem, as well as DevOps, through our hands-on learning platform.
What are some of the largest knowledge gaps that you've seen with folks who are learning Kubernetes?
Yeah, great question. So we have a lot of students who come to our platform and learn Kubernetes, and we kind of, during the onboarding process, we kind of ask their background. So we have people who are like freshers, who are experienced, who have probably more than 10 years of experience, who take our courses. And we see different, in different areas, we see different knowledge gaps. So obviously for freshers, it's usually some of the basics foundations that are missing, like for example, Linux, understanding basics of Linux, computer systems, just basic computer architecture. For others who are experienced, they are usually missing some of the foundational knowledge in broader areas. Like for example, if they're a security engineer, they're probably missing some knowledge around networking or storage, or if they are like sysadmins, they're probably missing some gap. There's a knowledge gap in security or other areas. So one of the things we do is when we build courses, we kind of ask our audience, our students, what is it that they don't know, and then kind of based on that, we kind of craft our courses, keeping in these prerequisites in place. So yeah, that's basically it.
And one fun question. If there was one thing that you could change about Kubernetes so that it becomes easier to use, what would it be and why?
We should figure out a way to get rid of YAML, so people don't have to write a lot of code and run into indentation issues. That's probably one of the biggest challenges, right? When you deploy an application, you probably have to write like 50 YAML files, which is not the most favorite part of the job. So yeah, and I think there are like solutions that are coming to that. With Kubernetes, managed Kubernetes platforms, exploring other ways to kind of tackle that.
What are your thoughts about the upcoming technologies such as AI on Kubernetes?
Yeah, we had a very interesting talk this morning about AI on Kubernetes by Janaki Ram. So how AI agents, how Kubernetes can orchestrate AI agents, I found that very interesting. So a lot of initiatives, a lot of companies, there's a lot of funding going into tools that are built on for AI on Kubernetes. We're keeping a close eye on that, and I'm trying to learn myself. So yeah, it's very, very exciting, and very exciting area to learn.
And what's something big that's been happening with CodeCloud that you would like to share about?
So we are obviously continuing to do what we did from the beginning, which is like really closely, talk to our students, understand what is it that they're learning today, and kind of help and make that learning journey easier. That's always been our priority. So we're continuing to do that. And I think from that point, I think one of the key insights we got the past couple of days is this whole focus on AI, cloud-native AI, which is something we're going to tap into going forward, make it easy for people to get into AI and cloud-native. And one of the other thing is AI on CodeCloud itself. So we've built an AI assistant in our lab that kind of has background of the students, the tasks that they're assigned to, the context of the system, and it's able to kind of give students a very personalized, customized answer. And yeah, that's something big that we have recently launched on CodeCloud, and one that we are seeing a lot of traction on. So yeah.